Recently, in some part of African country, there is a glitch on 1688 Chinese shopping web fashion. If you are from Nigerian or Ghana or Kenya or Cameroon or some part of African country and you are using 1688 on a web fashion, consider to stay tuned to this video because recently now, each time we are trying to access 1688 Chinese shopping website on Chrome browser, whether you are using your phone or you are using your laptop, this is exactly the message you are getting right here. And you are getting this because of some of the technical error from 1688. So in order to solve this problem, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can fix this particular problem of access denied or regional block on 1688 Chinese shopping website, most especially if you are trying to access the 1688 shopping website on phone or on your PC. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about 1688 like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Welcome back to this video. Recently, there is an issue with having direct access to 1688 on the web. So as at the moment of making this video, if you are in Nigeria, Ghana, or any other African part of the world, and you are going to experience a similar thing, and there is no need of panic of that. This is a kind of technical issue from 1688 in China. Let's say, for instance, you want to open your Chrome right here. You open your Chrome browser, and after you open up your Chrome browser, you come to the search engine right here, and what you always do is to type in 1688.com and hit on search. Then you have something like this: forbidden 403 forbidden. You do not have permission to access the URL on this server. Denied by region block. This is a denied by region block. So how you can actually fix this problem? So you can fix this problem in two ways. One of the first way is to make use of VPN. But if you are the type that do not like to use VPN, you have to switch to another type of browser. So in this tutorial, I'm going to use Edge browser. So I'm going to exit from the Chrome browser right here. Then I'm going to head over to Edge browser. So if you are using Android phone, simply go to your Play Store right here. So click on Play Store. Then when you click on Play Store, make sure you click on search and come to the search app and game and type in Edge. So if you are using iPhone, you can also do the same thing. But I've already downloaded and installed the app on my phone. So this is the browser you can use now as at the time of this issue to solve the problem of access denied by 1688. So this is the browser I'm going to use, Microsoft Edge browser, AI browser. So I'm going to exit from here. Now, when you have successfully downloaded and installed the browser on your phone, next thing you need to do is to look for the icon of the browser. So here is the icon, Edge browser. So I'm going to simply click on it to launch the browser. They haven't launched the browser. Next thing you need to do is to come to the search or type URL right here. Then type in 1688.com. Then hit on search. And here you go. You can see the site is fully loaded up and open right here. You can easily come to the top right here and click on translate, which allow you to translate into English language. So in a few seconds, you will see that everything will be fully translated. Then from here, we can read and you can zoom out right here. So everything here is being translated back into English language. If you want to switch to another language, simply click on here. And then from the drop down, you can simply choose any of the language that you want to simply translate it to right here. So you can see there are lots of language right here you can simply translate into. But by default, I'm choosing English language, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So it's that simple. So these are the two ways by which you can solve the problem of access denied by 1688 Chinese on web. So for now, stop using Chrome browser. You can use Edge browser, or if you want to use Chrome browser, make sure you use it with a VPN. Connect it with a VPN and choose another region. You can choose like Euro or Asian country, and the website is going to open. So just like what you see right here, the more you scroll down, the more product is going to load up
in the home page right here. So this is how you can fix the problem of access denied by 1688. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.